Hey guys, what's up? So I just did my makeup. I did this look here clearly because that's what I'm wearing and I just did my makeup, duh. But yeah, I like really love how this eye look turned out, you guys. I used the Dream Street palette from ColourPop and Kathleen Lights, and let me show you the colors that I used because you guys, oh, this look is like so delicious. So delicious. So I used the two blue shades, which is like Water Bearer and Mermaid Boy, and then I have Siren. Is that Siren? Oh, Spark. I'm sorry. Spark all in my crease. Yeah, I thought it's so cute. Sorry, like my palette is like super dirty because yeah, I just used it and I really need to clean everything. But yeah, I just wanted to say hi and show you my makeup look. I am doing the 100 days of makeup on, I was going to say YouTube, but I'm not doing it on YouTube. The 100 days of makeup on Instagram. So go check out my Instagram. I'll leave it linked down below so that way you don't miss out on any of these looks, you guys. I'm doing 100 looks, 100 days in a row, and it's going to be phenomenal. And I'm super excited because, yeah, I love makeup and I love just like exploring. I love creating things, honestly, you guys. It's like almost 1 in the morning, so I don't know what I'm doing with a full face of makeup at this time, but I'm about to like wash it off and get like my nighttime routine going down. I might start editing a little bit of this video for you guys so that way I can get it up tomorrow. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and say hi. And yeah, I should probably wash my face now. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. And if I don't see you later on tonight, I will see you in the morning. Alright, see you later, alligator. So I recently just went to the drugstore and picked up a few items that I actually was really needing. Some brow pencils here. This one is one of my favorite ones. It's the Precision Brow Pencil by NYX. And I just get that in dark brown. And I also get this little guy, which is like their regular brow pencil. And this one doesn't really have a spoolie. It has like a weird looking thing at the top. But I love to fill in my brow with this one just because it is a little bit thicker. It does come with more product. And this guy's like a little bit thinner. But I love this for like the front of my brow and the tail of my brow. And this guy does come with a spoolie on this end. So that's why I picked up two. I also seen that these were new from Wet n Wild, and I actually really love their Photo Focus setting spray natural. So I picked this guy up. It is their 3-in-1 primer water. It says prime, set, and refresh, and this guy is in coconut. And I also picked up their water drop primer as well in the scent coconut, I'm guessing. It's the Photo Focus primer. I've never used a Photo Focus primer from Wet n Wild, but I have used this guy in like the regular natural finish, and I love it, so I had to pick that up. And of course I was in need for some mascara, so you can never go wrong with the voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Okay guys, so it is a bit later and I went to the dollar store and picked some things up that I want to show you. I also got my nails done. I think they're so cute. It's like this little blue marble-ish detail with a little gold stripe. I think they're super adorable. But yeah, I just want to show you what I got at the dollar store. I picked up these really cute fan brushes. They're from the brand Elite Pro Beauty, and they're super cute. It's just like pink, a little gold detailing. It's so cute. I think this is gonna look like so stunning on display. I actually got two of them just because I love fan brushes and I love highlighting, and they're so adorable, guys. Like, I love this like glitter packaging too. I think that that's like so on point with this pink, and I cannot wait to use these and then probably put one on display and then one to use. So yeah, I grabbed two. Also picked up some lashes while I was there. I seen these guys there as well, so I couldn't say no. I got 3 different styles. They're from the brand Smoke and Mirrors, and each pack does come with 2 sets of lashes, which I thought was pretty cool. And since I am doing like the 100 days of makeup, I just thought, you know what, it's a good idea to have some extra lashes on hand. So these guys are the long lashes. It says that they are lightweight as well. And then these are the Lashmetropolitan lashes. I think these are cute. They're super like simple and natural, which I like. perfect for every day. And then these guys are a lot simple as well, and these are the silhouette lashes. So I picked up 3 sets of lashes, or I guess 6 sets of lashes, 2 in each one. And then I picked up this little bronzer. I've never heard of this brand before. It's called Measurable Differences, and it just says it's a face and body bronzer, but I thought it was cool, so I wanted to give it a shot and try and highlight like our collarbone or something. So yeah, maybe this guy will be a good one to use. Up a couple of these NYX stick blushes. I got both of them in tea rose. I honestly thought that I picked up a different color, but apparently I got them both in this one. So super cute. Oh, how cute. I didn't even notice they had like a little heart right there. But yeah, these are just cream blushes, and cream blushes are really in, so I thought I'd give them a try, and they were at the dollar store. And I love NYX, you guys. Super affordable brand, and I was super surprised to find them at the dollar store, but loving it nonetheless. So we also went to the store because I needed a phone charger, and I came out with more than I bargained for. So let's start off with this guy. This is a little sleep mask, and I thought it was so cute. It's like this cute little blush pink color, and it's fluffy, and it's like 2 little hearts. It was in the Valentine's Day section, and I thought it was so cute, you guys, so I couldn't pass that up. And then I got these like little pajama shorts. I think they're so adorable. They have like these little like ruffles on the bottom, little scallops going on with the white and pink pinstripe. I think it's so cute, an adorable little bow. It reminds me of like Victoria's Secret, like the little bags that they have. So I thought that was adorable. So I had to pick these guys up, and I guess it was like a pajama theme haul because I got this like little nightgown that says girls support girls, and I thought it was so cool. It reminded me of my girl Adeline Morin here on YouTube. She's awesome. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, you guys, so go support her because she's all about girls supporting girls and women empowering women, and you know, that's a vibe. So yeah, definitely had to pick this up. It's a little nightgown, so I thought that was super cute, even though it's raining here in California, and I'm probably not gonna get too much use out of this anytime soon, but I might have to throw it on today and take a cute little picture with it, since I did get like a whole like little sleep set. So yeah, I thought that was super cute. And I also got this like pillow. It's adorable. I keep saying the same words over and over, but it's a little heart, and it has like these like little silver glitter material in it, and I think that is so fetch. Yeah, but I thought it was super cute. Super pink blush theme, but super adorable, and I'll definitely get good use out of it all. And my little kitties are over here sleeping away, which is what I should be doing because it's like midnight. But I got a ton of makeup, you guys, and I wanted to show it all to you. So yeah, Mary Jane is like digging my pajamas over here. Do you like them, Mary? Do you like them, girl? Oh, she loves you guys. But yeah, alright, let me show you all the makeup that I got, you guys, because it is a ton. Okay, guys, so I have a ton of makeup to show you. I know that this was in one of my previous videos. I think it was my Boxy Luxe, but I still haven't used this, and this is the Luxie Complete Face Set. And it has amazing brushes. I love Luxie brushes, and I actually wanted to use this guy in like a first impressions, probably with one of the palettes that I'm going to show you right now, but I did want to throw this guy in there because it's literally still in its case and I haven't used it. It's been like a month, so I should probably get some really good use out of it. I do own a lot of these brushes and I love them, so yeah, definitely gonna be putting these guys to work pretty soon. And I did get some things from Ulta. This guy was actually a gift for Christmas. It's the Morphe palette, the Boss Mood 35M, and let me just show you. This is so cute, you guys. This is like so adorable. I love Morphe. Their brand is amazing, and look at these colors. I love, first of all, that it comes with a little sheet with all of the color names on it. Look, JT's like all about this life. But these are amazing colors, you guys. Like, so gorgeous. So I cannot wait to create some fun and amazing looks with this. Like, I do not own any of like these green shades, and look at like this bronze color. So beautiful. Like, oh, you cannot go wrong in this purple. Like, even these two colors together right there would be like an amazing look. So I am so blessed to have this, and honestly can't wait to create some cool looks for you guys. So let me know if you want a first impressions with this palette. I think I'm gonna do it because honestly, like, these are like so delicious, and Morphe shadows are so creamy and like so blendable, and like, oh, look at that sparkle. I cannot get enough. But yeah, you guys, super excited that I got this palette, and I've just literally been looking at it. Like, if you can tell, everything's like still like in its packaging and everything. I like leave it there and just open it and stare at it for a bit and then like close it. And then just close it and like leave it there because it's like so good to be true. And speaking of Morphe, I got the continuous setting spray. I hear everybody raving about this, so I'm super stoked to use this guy and give it a shot. So maybe I'll just like do a first impressions of these two. I already know I'm probably gonna like this because I did like see how fine the mist is, just because everybody loves it. And yeah, I can definitely see why everybody loves it. It smells pretty good too, so can't wait to try it on my skin and see how long it makes my makeup last. And yeah, you guys, I also picked up some lashes. I'm actually wearing one of the pairs right now, but these are the Kiss lashes in the style Flirty, and I love the Kiss lashes. Like, as you can see, like, they do not look too fake. They look like pretty like natural, I would say, especially because they do have like that flare and they're like different dimensions, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I really recommend these lashes. I've gotten them time and time again. I also really love the Ardell Wispy lashes. You cannot go wrong with those guys. And I do have another package from ColourPop here that I'm going to show you as well, because my mom did order me some things that I didn't know that she was ordering me. But yeah, super stoked and blessed that I got some ColourPop too. So let's go ahead and open this guy up and let's see what we got. I love this ColourPop packaging as well. Look how cute. It has like little stars and it's all these different pastel colors. It has like little clouds up there, so cute. And it says your dreams came true, ColourPop, and my dreams did come true because I love makeup, if you didn't know already. And I know I'm gonna love this. This is the Becky G in collaboration with ColourPop, the Salvaje palette, and it's so cute. Look at this like detailing here, you guys. These like little rose patterns and everything, so cute. I like literally love this detailing, so adorable. All right, let's open it up. I love this packaging, honestly. I could stare at this packaging forever, and I love how her like little signature is right there and everything. But yeah, let's open it up. Oh my goodness, so cute. Look at these colors. I love Celosa over there and Cafecito. Ooh, and Corona and Sangria. Caramelo. So cute. I love these colors, you guys, and I can't wait to play with these. Like, these reds are like calling my name, especially like this gold and like Sangria right there. Yeah, those are like super gorgeous. And Celosa, they're so gorgeous. I love it. I love getting makeup. Honestly, I'm so excited to cook up some looks for you guys. Like, keep it coming, especially with the 100 days of, I was going to say Halloween. Whoa, the 100 days of makeup that I'm doing. I'm definitely going to get some good use out of these palettes. But yeah, this is it for the Salvaje palette from Becky G and ColourPop. Now, let's move on to the next one that my mom got me. She's so cute. She got me the Chasing Rainbows palette. Packaging is so cute. It definitely like matches the box, I would say, like where it says your dreams come true and like Chasing Rainbows, like the box is literally the same. Super cute. Love that. Love that for me. And yeah, let's see this guy. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. I'm loving this like holographic pattern. Like, that's so sick. Look how like that shines. That's fire. And then it says keep your head in the clouds. I love this like theme that ColourPop has going on. And these colors are amazing too. Like, look at that. I have so many cool looks to do for you guys. So yeah, that is all for my, oh, that is not all for my makeup haul, just kidding. I forgot about this guy. This is the Brown Sugar Luxe lipstick from ColourPop and Rouge, and this is the shade Cinnamon, I believe, because my mom did let me know that she was getting this for me, because I did used to have a cat named Cinnamon, actually. So cute. But yeah, this is what the color looks like, and I love the ColourPop packaging, once again, with the little stars. You cannot go wrong, and I did open this earlier, that's why it's like super messy, but yeah. So cute. That was everything that I got, you guys. But yeah, that's the lipstick, and that is everything that I got. I'm so excited with all this new makeup, and I cannot wait to create more looks. So I'm gonna go wash my face right now and get ready for bed, because it's like past midnight, and yeah, get that nighttime skincare routine going. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, bye! Hey guys, what's up? So it's the next morning and I'm gonna make myself some coffee. I'm actually doing some iced coffee. I have this cute, like, little Alice in a Wonderland cup. It says always curious. It's kind of like fogged up because I do have ice in there because I have this Keurig ready to go. So I'm just gonna pop in one of my coffee, and recently I've just been using like the donut shop. I was using the Krispy Kreme like little cake pods, I guess that's what they're called, and those guys were so amazing. Like, honestly, I highly recommend that if you could get your hands on it. But yeah, I'm just gonna make myself some iced coffee right now and get ready for the day. I'm also going to wash my face, and you're probably gonna laugh because you're like, why do you have your face wash here as you're doing like coffee? But yeah, I just wanted to show you the facial cleanser that I use, and this is the purpose. It's the Gentle Cleansing Wash, and I honestly love this. This was recommended by Jaclyn Hill, honestly, like in one of her videos, she said she used this. So I went out and grabbed it. It says that it's oil-free, soap-free, and it says no sulfates added, and honestly, my face has been loving it. It's the third bottle that I've gone through, and yeah, I recommend this, guys. So I'm gonna wash my face as the rest of my coffee is being done, so I'll see you in a few. So this is the coconut and almond milk blend that I am using for my coffee. It has no sugar added. It's only 45 calories, and it's from Khalifa Farms. It's also gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free, because if you did not know, I'm actually allergic to dairy. It honestly like break out in hives, and every once in a while I will risk it for like ice cream or something of that sense. But yeah, you guys, I've ended up in the hospital multiple times because of milk consumption, so that is why I am, you know, more on the plant-based side of life. But yeah, this is what I'm going to go ahead and add on into my iced coffee here. That is from Almonds with Love. It's 100% vegan, low saturated fat, lactose free, soy free, and carrageen free, I guess. But yeah, lactose is actually like one of the sugars that is produced from animals, like animal fats. It's like the only sugar that animals produce. And yeah, so that is actually what I am allergic to, I guess you would say. But yeah, I just avoid milk if I can. And I love almond milk and almond coconut milk. But yeah, so I just top this guy off. And then, of course, mix it with my metal straw, because we're trying to save the planet, you guys. So if you can get yourself a metal straw, definitely recommend it. I got this one at, let's see, I got this guy at Walmart, I think, and it came in a pack of 4. It came with like a little straw cleaner and like little interchangeable tips just in case you are like, you know, in a household of more than one person. But yeah, so this is going to be my coffee this morning. I'm just going to put the cap on, and then I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, well, I'm just gonna sip on my coffee. I'm honestly so in love with this tumbler. Alice in Wonderland is one of my favorite movies. I love like the black lid too, so yeah, super cute. And I think I'm just gonna chill here, sip my coffee, and then, you know, hang out a bit. But yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for another video on Wednesday. Peace and love to you always, and I hope to see you in my next video. All right, see you later, alligator. Bye.